is the culminating activity of the founding anniversary of our town. So tonight, we are very thankful because this is an initiative coming from the local government unit of our municipality to have this Battle of the Bands 20. Are we excited? Are we excited? Anda na ba mo cheer? Mo sing along of Morap sa atong Battle of the Bands. Anda na! Yes, of course. So that's our eagerness. We are very happy. We are very glad that the local government unit of our beloved municipality, headed by our local chief executive, Honor Pakanato. Well, not to forget the mayor's office for this activity. We have Ma'am Abigail Dixon and staff. Thank you very much. Atong pagpakay. Atong mga judges for gracing gracefully this event tonight. Thank you very much for your presence. So, ladies and gents, we would like to acknowledge as well the different competing bands for tonight. So as what I have said earlier, naatay 8 ka banda coming from across Mindanao. So I would like to acknowledge first the Under Pressure Band. Where are you guys? Wave your hands. Okay, from Pinyan, Zamboanga del Norte. We also have Proxy Connect from the Polog City. Where are you? Wave your hands, please. Cool and Cold Municipality of Sergio Osmeña. We also have the Coming Troops. Asa ang Coming Troops? Yes? Okay, thank you. We have Octave Band from the Polog City. Octave, please. Wave. Okay, kaway-kaway naman dyan. What about the from Cagayan de Oro City? Nabang Sicily? Okay, so once again, thank you very much for being here to celebrate the 63rd founding anniversary of Municipality of Sergio Osmeña. I hope you will enjoy the rest of the night. So once again, I welcome you to the 2026 measure, Sir Eduardo T. Misa. Big hand, please.
Good evening to everyone. Tonight is the night of all nights that we are waiting for. The grand finale celebration of Araw ng Osmeña. The 63rd founding anniversary of this municipality, Sergio Osmeña Senior. But first and foremost, I thank God for making this event successful. I thank God for giving us good health and sound mind. And one man I thank, a man who has full of courage and strong determination. A man who changed my vision. My idol, my boss, Honorable Mayor Milenio. And of course, the supportive Vice Mayor, Honorable Sri Chris Villamin. A man with a deep voice but a softened heart. The all listening members, head of this, the NGO family, and the competitor, the board of judges. I also acknowledge my classmate, Regional Director of Bureau of Fire Department, Fire Colonel Akalor. Sir, salamat tayo rin. Salamat tayo. Sa tanang constituents and visitors, good evening, kanakong tanan. And one thing I can say, let's give it up!
Thank you very much for that, sir. It's not complete without, of course, our panel of adjudicators. So they will be the ones who will choose our winners for tonight. So this time, I'm going to present to you our board of judges. 1989. From 1991 to 2002, he worked in Manila and Japan as a singing performer, band manager, and talent manager. In 2011, he became the champion of Montalban Rizal Manila Got Talent. From 2018 to 2019, he served as a program anchor of Kalambuan of Energy FM 103.7 in Polog City. At present, He is serving as the Municipal Information Officer over to introduce one of our distinguished judges for this year's Battle of the Bands competition. Our first judge, or our third judge, is a licensed professional teacher and a master's degree holder, having earned a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Music, Arts, Physical Education, and Health, or MAPE. Beyond his academic credentials, with extensive experience in both performance and music education, he serves as the trainer, coach, and advisor of Jose Rizal Memorial State University Live Band, where he has consistently guided aspiring musicians to achieve excellence in regional and national competitions. His coaching accomplishments include leading his team to a third runner-up finish during the 2022 Mindanao Association of State Tertiary Schools or MAS competition at Davao State University. In 2023, he successfully coached the JF Serena State College Live Band to qualify for the PASUC National Competition and achieve second runner-up honors among universities across the Mindanao during the Battle of the Bands competition held at Mindanao State University. His success continued in 2024, where his team earned first runner-up honors at the MAS competition in Pagadian City and secured the qualification for the National Battle of the Bands competition held at the Philippine Normal University in Manila. In addition to his achievements as a coach and mentor, he has served as a respected Battle of the Bands judge in various competitions throughout the province of Zamboanga del Norte, sharing his expertise in musical performance, arrangement, stage presence, and overall musicianship. With his strong background in music education, live performance, competitive band coaching, and adjudication, we are truly honored to have him with us tonight. Ladies and gents, please join me in warmly welcoming our esteemed judge, Mr. Dave Canoy.